Changing the oil on the WR250 is pretty simple. The drain plug is on the bottom and it is a 14 millimeter. Now I did go ahead and purchase me a drain plug that had a magnet on it. It's always a good idea. It always ends up with a little debris on it there. So just clean that magnet off real good. While your oil's draining, your filter is right in here behind this cover. 8 millimeter socket. I like to use the K&N filters. For this bike, it's the KN-141, and it'll only go in one way. The part that has the dimple in the end goes toward the motor. The hole goes towards you, as you can see when it comes out here. Check your O-ring, make sure it's no tears, anything like that. Nice and clean. Back together. Make sure not to over tighten these bolts. One little trick I like to use is put a 2x4 under your kickstand. That'll make your bike more vertical, make the oil drain out a little easier. Put our drain plug back in. Again, make sure not to over tighten your drain plug. No more than about 10 to 15 foot-pounds. Your fill is right here. Double check your O-ring, make sure it's still okay. You're gonna need a funnel. We're gonna use Valvoline 10W40 4-stroke motorcycle oil, and we're gonna mix 2 ounces of MotorKote per quart of oil. Now this will hold about 1 3/4 quarts, so we're gonna use about 3.5 ounces of this. And if you've not seen what this stuff is or how it performs, go over to Project Farm's YouTube channel and take a look. After it's been treated with MotorKote, he runs a push mower for an hour with water in the crankcase, nothing but water, after it's been treated with this stuff. And the engine did not lose any compression, and it still ran afterwards. So if that doesn't convince you that this stuff is amazing, then I don't know what will. I'll put a link to that in the description. Now check your oil however you do it for your particular bike. This bike, you balance it and then use your sight glass here. We're right at the top, so we know we're good. At this point, check everything. Make sure your fill plug is tight, but not overly tight. Just snugged on there. And your oil change is finished. Go ride and have fun. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.